Hello, my name's Thomas Meyer, Worcester Academy class of 1985. I'm currently recording this in Antarctica. I've always had a goal of seeing all 7 continents, and I completed that one today. I have another goal, and that's to support Worcester Academy in their fundraising. And to meet that end, I will pledge $10,000 in matching funds to 2 different groups. First group was all the classes in the 1980s. I graduated in 1985. I consider you all my peers, and I enjoy seeing your name in the annual giving reports. Secondly, I'd like to give to anyone who's involved with the military. You don't have to be in the military. You can know somebody, friends, family, neighbors, sisters, parents. I'd like you to give. You can give in their name, and I will also match that 1 for 1. I retired 10 years ago from the Air Force, and I've still got a soft spot for those folks who are working on the front lines. Worcester Academy's Founders Day, their 189th Founders Day, is coming up here soon in February. I'd love to see a ton of money come in and support them for that so that they can continue their work and be around for the next 189 years. So with that, thank you for your consideration and happy birthday, Worcester Academy.